So it holds flowers. Pretty simple. How are you going to incorporate your slip trailing?
Like,
What kind of are you going to go like with flowers because it is a flower vase, or do you want to do more of a pattern? What do you think?
because it's whole flowers.
So like you could go with a theme because it's a flower vase. You could do flowers on the outside, but it doesn't necessarily have to be like that. You could just do like, let's say that it looked kind of like this, where, and you don't have to go with this. This is just an example. You could do just like maybe a pattern that goes across like the big thick part, or you could do something like what I was doing with those little polka dots. You could do something like around the edge. It doesn't necessarily have to have flowers on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I don't know.
Okay. So here, how about you do this? How about I draw out 2 different vases, and I want you to sketch for me some ideas that you've got. How's that? So instead of writing it out, we'll just draw it out. Okay, so come up with 2 different ideas.
Okay.
And what do you think you're going to do? A cup? Okay. Do you want to do just a plain cup, or are you going to do the one with the handle? Like
With a handle.
Okay. So that would be a mug. So go ahead and put that here. M-U-G. Some cursive there. Okay, so what is it that you use a mug for? What does it do?
Hello.
Very good. So you're just going to be drinking out of it. So you're drinking. And what's it holding inside? Okay, so it holds coffee. So we're making a coffee mug. So do you think that it would be a good idea to put slip on the handle? How so? Do you think that would work out real well? So like if I was going to put a bunch of pokey little dots on the handle, do you think it'd be very cool? So maybe I think what you should think about is not so much decorating your handle, but the they're both cool, but with this one, do you think that you should have something here and here, as well as with this, or are you going to have something coming down here to the bottom, or do you just want to do it like around that kind of edge right there?
I think we'll like make more to it.
Okay, so you want to repeat the same pattern?
Yeah.
No? Okay, that's good. Now with this one, would you want to do a stripe that goes this direction the same way, or do you want to do something maybe opposite?
I think we'll like stick with this one.
Okay, so you want it to come down again like this? Okay, so here's a thought. What if you incorporate both of these into the same piece?
Like you meant like this on this one?
So what if we did both of these on one section? So like what if we did it like this, and then maybe we come over here, what do you do, AC? And then some B's. Like that.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? So like you could do both. Maybe you could just like finish the same pattern down here on the bottom too.
I think I like that.
So what kind of design do you like?
So it's all about making it kind of the same. And you could even like up here, you could do an opposite stripe if you wanted to. So you don't necessarily have to make it.
Like the same?
Yeah, you could
she
do
say
just
handle
add
or
different handles or handles. I said handles. Why did I say handles? Because my sticker should say it. That's why I said it.
Yeah.
So like you can do both designs on one piece, but it's up to you. If you would rather just do one or
Like
the
this
other.
one? I like
Do you
this
like the
one.
dots?
Like, make that like the same.
So the same. Would you add another one up here, or would you maybe leave that one alone?
I don't know yet.
Not sure. Okay. Well, go ahead and just finish drawing that out, and then I'll come back and draw it in just a second. You gonna do dots? Okay. Now, are you gonna do dots that go all across it, or are you gonna do dots in like a different pattern?
Different pattern.
So if you're gonna do a pattern, remember how I showed you the marker drawing? Maybe what the best thing for you to do is to draw your pattern first, and then let's say that you're gonna do a little swirl or something. Maybe it's a good idea to put your dots over top of your pattern, like this. You think? So why don't you draw your pattern first and then put your dots over top of it?